Hey everyone, Kevin back for another reaction video, and this time I'm back reacting to Nightwish. So I've been reacting to every song on their latest album, Human Nature, which came out in 2020, and I've been reacting to these songs via the official lyric video. So I'm going to continue that, and we're on to the track How's the Heart. So yeah. First time hearing, not heard this track before, so interested to see what it throws up. The tracks so far majority of them have been pretty good. Maybe one wasn't so great for me, wasn't really my type of music. So let's see how this one goes. So everyone, thank you very much for the support so far, for all the comments, all the information about Nightwish, all the likes, subscribes. Very much appreciated. So here we go with Nightwish, How's the Heart. Heartbeat at the start, nice touch.
How's the heart while it still beats? Asks and no one, another John Doe. Sorrow hides well in your shell, a fellow man with her to spare. Dear one, here I am to share the fear, an act of kindness without a name. And how's the
We'll just pause it there. Interesting lyrics. I like the intro. It again has like a Celtic feel to it, but this is more my type of thing where it's a little bit of distortion in the background. The solo guitar riff on top does have a real Celtic feel to it, but it's done in a better manner than it was in Harvest. If I got the name of that song correct. So yeah, I like it so far. The melody again doesn't really follow the rest of the song, which I find quite interesting on this album. The melodies are not standard by any stretch of the imagination, so there's a lot of lyrics to take in. It helps that they're on screen, of course, even though Floor's voice is very clear for the majority. I think there was one of the tracks where I thought that in the mix her voice was too low, but this is quite clear. So yeah, so far so good.
The sea, shared a story, took the lead. Rose up, prudent head and note, you know where you've been there.
Just want to give a quick shout out to the bass, really nice bass notes as well, and also a shout out to the artwork designer. It's really nice. I like the backdrop of the sea. Looks like some of the places that I live close to in Scotland, but I love the way she's in shadow with the red flowers, and everything else is in black and white. It's very nice contrast. Sorry, here we go.
Now there's one who came from me, a child of light, another tale. Dear one, night will come but not to stay. How's the heart underneath the silence? How's
I like the way they changed that chorus up there. They changed the melody and the tempo, and I like the guitar riff in the background. It's a nice change. Let me play that again.
Underneath the silence, I was the one drowning in the mire. Let a sound of human pain come on in. The fire's burn. How is that heart? Underneath the silence, I was the one drowning in the mire. Let a sound of human pain come on in. The fire's burn. How's that heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let a sound, a human pain, come on in. How's that heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let a sound, human pain, come on in. The fire's warm, down the blade and some. How's that heart? How's that one drowning in the mire? Let a sound, human pain, come on in. The fire's warm, down the blade and some. How's the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let a sound, human pain, come in. The fire's warm, burn the rope and dance some more.
Okay, yeah, it was interesting the way that you had 4 choruses back to back. 3 of them were different than the one prior, which was a really nice change. The chorus change that was primarily Flora's voice and the piano didn't quite work for me. I preferred the aspect of the guitar on top, and then the latter choruses were back to what it was earlier in the song, with a double tracked voice, male and female vocals, a little bit heavier musically. That was quite nice. So yeah, I thought this track was quite interesting. I really liked the artwork. I liked the heart with the cogs working inside of it. Really nice artwork. Added a lot to the song. And yeah, I was pretty impressed by some of the instrumental playing. The bass was really nice. Nothing too complicated. Just really nice, simple bass notes, root notes, just to keep the song, you know, for me, it's really the bass player who really keeps the song going in this one. But I really like the some of the guitar parts as well, and Flora's singing was really nice, really clear, and she gave a real good account of herself in terms of the melody. Even though it isn't a standard melody at all, her vocal performance kept you interested. So yeah, I like that track. It's one of my favourites so far on the album. What do you think? Tell me some story behind the track. Do you like the song? Do you not like it? Where does it sit in terms of the first 5 or 6 tracks that I've listened to? What's your opinion on this one? What worked for you on the song and what does not work for you? It'd be interesting to read all your comments. So thank you everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.